Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am here with another set of verses. Today we are going to do verses 78 and 79 of Surah Al Baqarah. So let me read them in Arabic first, and then we'll translate it twice and then read it again. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَمِنْهُمْ أُمِّيُّونَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ الْكِتَابَ إِلَّا أَمَانِيَّ وَإِنْهُمْ إِلَّا يَظُنُّونَ فَوَيْلٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَكْتُبُونَ الْكِتَابَ بِأَيْدِيهِمْ ثُمَّ يَقُولُونَ هَذَا مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ لِيَشْتَرُوا بِهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا فَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا كَتَبَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا يَكْسِبُونَ. Okay, now let's translate it. وَمِنْهُمْ, and from amongst them, ummiyun. There are those who are unlettered, who are ignorance, who don't know anything. Ya'lamun, they do not know al-kitab, the book. That is, they don't know what's written in the book. Illa, except amaniya. They are wishful thinking. So they think that the book is saying exactly what they desire. Wa inhum, and they are not doing anything illa yazunnun, except assuming. They're just assumptions, conjectures, no reality, like many of us Muslims do. Fawailul lillazina, fawailul lillazina, fawailul, so woe be, curse be, lillazina, on those people who yaktubuna, write, al-kitab, the book, bi-aydihim, with their own hands. Be with aidi, hands, him there. Bi-aydihim, with their own hands. Thumma, then, yaqulun, they say, Haza, this is min indillah, from God. Liyashtaru, so that they purchase, they gain, bihi, through it, what? Thamanan, a price, qalilan, very ordinary, very small. That is, they're doing such a big crime and they're getting in return for it a very small gain. They are leaving their religion, they are compromising on their religion and getting some worldly gains, which is a very small price. Fawailun, so curse be, lahum, on them, mimma, for what? Katabat, for what or because of what? Katabat, right, aydihim, their hands. Wawailun, wa and wailun, curse be, lahum, on them, mimma, because of what? Yaksibun, they are earning, they are doing. So deeds are what we earn. They're going to be our currency in the next life. So the Quran tells us that whatever we do in this world is what we earn, good or bad. Second translation, وَمِنْهُمْ, and amongst them. That is, the Almighty is talking about the Jews of that time. And amongst them, ummiyun, there are some who are ignorant, who have no idea. La ya'lamun, they don't know. Al-kitab, the book, illa, except amaniya, wishful thinking. Wa inhum, wa in, and not whom they, illa, except yazunnun, guess. They are assuming. They don't do anything except they are assuming. Fawailul lillazina, so curse be on those people, yaktubun, who write, al-kitab, the book, bi-aydihim, with their own hands. Thumma, then, yaqulun, they say, Haza, this, min indillah, is from God. Liyashtaru, so that they may gain, they may purchase bihi through it, thamanan, a price, qalilan, small. Fawailun, so curse lahum be on them, mimma, because of what, katabat, wrote, aydihim, their hands, wawailul lahum, and curse be on them, mimma, because of what, yaksibun, they earn, they do, and as a consequence they earn. Now let me recite these two verses again, and now the second time round, I think more than 80% of it is what you're going to understand, inshallah. I'll not be surprised if it's 100%. Alhamdulillah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. I seek refuge in Allah, the God, from the evil whispers of Satan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I begin in the name of Allah, whose mercy is profound, whose kindness is forever. وَمِنْهُمْ أُمِّيُّونَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ الْكِتَابَ إِلَّا أَمَانِيَّ وَإِنْ هُمْ إِلَّا يَظُنُّونَ فَوَيْلٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَكْتُبُونَ الْكِتَابَ بِأَيْدِيهِمْ ثُمَّ يَقُولُونَ هَذَا مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ لِيَشْتَرُوا بِهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا فَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا كَتَبَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا يَكْسِبُونَ. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. I hope you are understanding this whole lesson which we are doing, and I hope and pray that we continue reading it, continue understanding it, continue benefiting from it. Until the next lesson, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We'll meet inshallah next time, hopefully tomorrow.